Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
7 days. The shelf life for infused rose water is pretty short and will keep at room temperature up to 7 days, refrigerated up to a month and frozen for a year. Add a splash of vodka to increase the shelf life slightly. 16 February 2020.
Take our lead.
Unfortunately, rose water does expire. The main shortcoming of making homemade, organic rose water is that, just like everything in nature, it has a limited shelf life. For many store-bought brands of rose water, there is no expiration date on the label. 22 July 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Rose water maintains the skin's natural pH balance. Chemically produced soaps and cleansers disrupt the pH balance of our skin, making it prone to bacteria that cause various skin conditions like rashes and acne. 13 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A more fragrant rose water can be made with fresh rose petals, but you can also use dried petals if it's all you have. Store the finished rose water in a cool, dry place for up to several months, or use a preservative and store in the fridge to keep it lasting longer, up to 2 years. 9 February 2020.
Take our lead.
Great for the skin and easy to make. All you'll need to create your own rose water is some dried rose petals and water. Boil water in a pan before adding a handful of dried rose petals and let the water simmer until the petals lose their color. 9 May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Whether store-bought or homemade, rose water does not need to be refrigerated. It will retain its floral aroma best when stored in a cool, dry place. Pure distilled rose water has a long shelf life, but if you're worried, give it a taste before you cook with it. 21 June 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.